Business owners, pay attention. Picture your business in 5 years. What do you see? Do you have a vision board to guide you there? Imagine your company thriving, reaching new heights, and achieving unparalleled success. This is not just a dream, it's a vision. Every great milestone begins with a vision. It's the roadmap to your company's future, the beacon guiding your business through uncharted waters. Now, what if you could crystallize this vision, make it tangible, something you could see, touch, and interact with? That's where a vision board comes into play. A vision board is more than just a collage of images and words. It's a powerful tool that breathes life into your business dreams. It's a visual representation of your ambitions, your goals, and your aspirations. It's your business's future displayed on a board. Let's take a leaf out of the good book. In the Bible, Habakkuk 2:2, it's written, "Write the vision and make it plain upon tables, that he may run that readeth it." Just as the scripture emphasizes the importance of writing down visions, a vision board allows you to write your business vision using images and words. It's like a visual scripture, a prophecy of your business's future success. Creating a vision board is like sowing seeds for your business's future. It's a catalyst that sets in motion the wheels of your business journey. It serves as a constant reminder of what you're striving for, keeping you focused and motivated. And like a compass, it helps you navigate your business through the often tumultuous seas of the corporate world, guiding you towards your end goal. But how to create a vision board that accurately reflects your business vision and goals? Well, the answer lies in the future: AI software. A vision board can breathe life into your business dreams, but how can you create one? The answer lies in AI software. AI software is here to revolutionize the way we create vision boards. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only understands your aspirations, but also helps bring them to life through captivating visuals. That's the power of artificial intelligence when harnessed for vision boards. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is AI software? Well, in the simplest terms, AI software is a program that can learn, reason, and self-correct. It's like a digital brain that can process information and make decisions based on that information. And when it comes to vision boards, AI software can be a game changer. Think of it this way: you have a vision, a goal, a dream. Traditionally, you'd sit down with a bunch of magazines, scissors and glue, cutting out images and words that resonate with your vision. But with AI software, the process becomes more streamlined, more efficient, and more personalized. AI software can generate ideas based on your inputs. Say you have a goal to open a bakery. You input bakery business into the AI software, and it generates various images, quotes, and ideas related to that. It can pull up images of successful bakeries, inspiring quotes from renowned bakers, or even a step-by-step guide to starting a bakery business. It's like having a brainstorming session with a creative genius who knows exactly what you're aiming for. But that's not all. AI software can also help you visualize your goals. It can create a virtual model of your bakery, complete with the pastries you plan to sell and the decor you envision. This way, you're not just looking at a collage of images, but a tangible representation of your dream. To sum it up, AI software takes the concept of vision boards to a whole new level. It's not just about cutting and pasting images anymore. It's about generating ideas, visualizing goals, and crafting a vision board that truly resonates with your aspirations. So, how can you use AI software to create your vision board? Let's dive into the steps. Creating a vision board with AI software is simpler than you think. Let's start from the beginning. First, you'll need to set up your software. There are numerous AI software options available, each with its own unique features and benefits. Choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Once you've chosen your software, it's time to set it up. This usually involves downloading and installing the software onto your device. While the process varies depending on the software, most are user-friendly and offer step-by-step instructions. If you're unsure about any part of the setup process, don't hesitate to consult the software's help section or reach out to customer support. Now let's move on to the fun part: selecting images. Your AI software will likely have a vast library of high-quality images for you to choose from. But what's really remarkable is that AI can suggest images based on your goals and aspirations. Simply input your objectives, and the software will use its algorithms to suggest relevant images. This helps you create a vision board that is not only visually appealing, but also deeply personal and meaningful. Next, it's time to organize your vision board. Here's where the AI software really shines. It can automatically arrange your images in a way that's visually pleasing and coherent. You can also manually adjust the layout to your liking. Remember, your vision board should reflect your personal style and preferences, so feel free to experiment and play around with different arrangements. Finally, once you're satisfied with your vision board, you can save it and share it. Most AI software allows you to export your vision board in various formats, making it easy to share with others or print out for your own use. You can also revisit and revise your vision board at any time, allowing it to evolve as your goals and aspirations change. In essence, creating a vision board with AI software involves setting up the software, selecting and organizing images, and saving and sharing your final product. Each step is streamlined and simplified, making the process not only efficient but also enjoyable. With these steps, you can create a powerful vision board that aligns with your business goals. Use it as a visual reminder of what you're working towards and let it inspire you to keep pushing forward. After all, the power of a vision board lies not in the board itself, but in the clarity and focus it brings to your aspirations. So embrace the process, let your creativity flow, and see where your vision takes you. Why should you use AI for your vision board? Well, let's dive into it. Firstly, AI offers time efficiency. In the hustle and bustle of running a business, time is a luxury you can't afford to waste. With AI, you can create vision boards in a fraction of the time it would take manually. You input your goals, your inspirations, and your aspirations, and the AI software does the heavy lifting, sourcing images, quotes, and ideas that align with your vision. No more hours spent trawling through magazines or websites. The AI software delivers a curated selection of content right to your fingertips. Secondly, AI offers personalized suggestions. The software learns from your inputs and becomes more in tune with your preferences over time. It's like having a personal assistant who not only understands your vision, but also intuitively knows what will inspire and motivate you. So say goodbye to generic vision boards and hello to a tailored, personalized tool that mirrors your ambitions. Thirdly, AI allows for easy modifications. Change is the only constant in business. As your goals evolve, so should your vision board. AI software makes it simple to update your vision board, ensuring it always represents your current goals and aspirations. Whether you want to add a new goal or remove an old one, the process is seamless, easy, and quick. But the benefits extend beyond these practical aspects. AI doesn't just make creating vision boards easier, it makes them more effective too. By streamlining the process, AI allows you to focus on what truly matters, visualizing your goals and manifesting them into reality. This in turn can lead to increased motivation, productivity, and ultimately success in your business. Remember, a vision board is more than just a collection of images and quotes. It's a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams and goals. And with AI, you have a tool that not only simplifies the process, but also enhances the effectiveness of your vision board. So, why should you use AI for your vision board? Because it's about more than convenience. It's about effectiveness, personalization, and turning your dreams into reality. AI doesn't just make creating vision boards easier, it makes them more effective too. Today, we've explored a new way to create your business vision board. We've journeyed through the importance of vision boards, a tool that can breathe life into your business aspirations. We've seen how they serve as a tangible representation of where you want to go, illuminating your journey ahead. We introduced AI software as an innovative solution for creating these vision boards. We delved into its functionality, showing you how it simplifies the process, making it efficient and enjoyable. We walked you through a step-by-step guide on how to use this software, highlighting how it streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on your vision rather than the technicalities. We also touched on the benefits of using AI for your vision boards. We discussed how it personalizes your experience, offering an array of choices that resonate with your business goals. We explored how it fosters accuracy and precision, enabling you to depict your visions exactly as you see them. Harness the power of AI to visualize your business goals and make them a reality. Your future awaits. Follow me for more.